Oh, that's that's the sound of your drawer opening. So I can reach out to get my notebook and we can start playing Blue's Clues. Okay. That'd be one and two. So I can tell I'm gonna need your help today, trying to figure out what Blue hears. Will you help me? Oh, you will? Great. So, do you hear which way Blue went? That way. Thanks. Come on.